Hello students, today we will study class 6 computers first chapter, that is computer languages. In this chapter we will discuss about machine language, assembly language, high level language. We will discuss about translators, some high level language also. To communicate with each other, we all need language. In the same manner, a language is required to communicate with a computer. There are various computer languages for many purposes. Few are for special purpose and other are for journal purpose. So, today we will discuss machine language first. It contains digits, zeros and ones only and are used in earlier computers. It was quite difficult for operators to learn and understand in zeros and ones only. To minimize this problem, assembly language was developed. Mnemonics code and symbolic addresses are used in this language. Assembly programs are written in modules and put together for the final run. Writing programs in mnemonics code and symbolic addresses is again a little bit difficult. So programmers develop one more language, that is high level language. These groups of languages use simple English words that are converted into machine language by compiler or interpreter. Few high-level languages are BASIC, COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, Logo, C, C++, Java, etc. This high-level language is used in modern computers to write programs using basic English language that are converted into machine language by a compiler or an interpreter. Dear students, computer is a machine and understand only machine language. So we need translator for conversion, the one language into machine language. In the same way, assemblers. Assemblers are software programs used to translate assembly language program into machine language. Translators. Translators are used to convert high-level language program into machine language. They consist of compiler and interpreter. Now compiler. Compiler is more complex software than an assembler. This converts high-level language program into machine instruction in a single go. It means compiler reads the whole program and converts the whole program directly, whereas interpreter also works as compiler do, but interpreter translates each instruction one after the other, means read one instruction and convert it and then again read one instruction and then convert it, means one by one. So students, that's it for today. I hope it will help you to understand the whole chapter. Thank you.